let's build mapping skills and analyze some fascinating and also important data in terms of behavior and health. We're opening the county health rankings from 2023. We're going to change the style and we're going to search for motor vehicle deaths. As we do that, the default is graduated symbol. Let's change it to color-coded map. Now, let's go ahead and add an expression. We've got the motor vehicle deaths, but let's dig deeper. We want to get the percentage of motor vehicle deaths in terms of a certain segment of the population. So we're going to add an expression. We're going to select the motor vehicle deaths as the numerator. And for the denominator, let's get population ages 18 to 64. Let's paren that whole thing times 100. So we're going to get a rate now of the motor vehicle deaths divided by the 18 to 64 population. Notice that I'm going to also change the expression label so that my legend will reflect exactly what I'm mapping. And I'm once again going to change it from graduated symbol to graduated color or choropleth. Now, instead of a raw numbers that show me Los Angeles County, Cook County, Illinois, and all the highly populated counties that have a lot of everything, including motor vehicle deaths, young people, old people, those counties are going to have more of just about everything. If I change it to this expression, now I'm going to get a rate of motor vehicle deaths for the 18 to 64. And I'm going to get, see, this is my raw numbers map. Again, more populous counties, I'm going to have more motor vehicle deaths. I'm going to have just about more of most variables. But if I change it to my expression, then I'm going to get a different pattern. Indeed, some of the rural patterns are quite striking. Now, in this last segment, I just made a relationship map where I've got two axes in this diamond. And I'm also going to change my relationship map from a 3x3 to a 2x2. So now I have a very interesting data set at my fingertips with looking at two variables, relationships. Do I want to focus my efforts now on the low population counties that have a high number of motor vehicle deaths, or the reverse? And I can change the colors as I'm doing right here to something different. I can also change a 3x3 to a 2x2. So relationship maps, expression building is all a fascinating but very important part of mapping, where you're trying to analyze change over space and time and looking at how variables may or may not be related to each other. Thanks.